Hey y'all, once again, it's Rob at Money's Car Stereo. Talking to my man, Mr. Smith. Smith, where you from, man? Who you represent today?
We out of East Oakland, man, but I done drove all the way out to Patterson, but coming over here to get some more Advan Blacks put on the bike, this 2014 Street Glide, you know, so with the extended bags, you know, my man will tell you get a better sound, but you know, you got to come see the man for that. That's his department.
All right.
But yeah, we out here getting some more work done as usual. Salute.
Okay. So yeah, we got the Advan Black. We're finna unbox it right now. This is the lowers and speaker pods. He already has purchased from them the extended bags and tour pack. And it's a pretty good match, you know. He had some little misfortune, and so he already has some gold leafing done, silver leafing, so he's gonna extend it onto the back to bring it back into full line. But the color match is pretty close. You need to come check them out. Money's Car Stereo, letting you see what I see.
So we got studio at right here. Right here. Yeah. Kind of fat, bud. You got to check it off, man. Bust right here. It's kind of big, though, man. She need all this room for. Kick it to this beat right here.
About 2 or 3 years locked down in a juvenile correctional facility. They try to shake me, break me, but I wasn't so.
Chance, all I say, God with me.
Got that Advan.
Wait, nigga, they ain't even fuck around nowadays. They came in the house and they found my yay. A couple handguns and a new SK. Bad for Louise, grandma, yay. But fucking though I gotta keep a grandma.
Live and direct at Money's Car Stereo. Say, my brother, what do we have here? Tell me something about this.
Oh man, that's that 2020 Road Glide Special.
Okay, and this how I come out the door just like this?
Yeah, just like this.
Piping all.
I had through the pipes.
Okay. I'm saying that look a little unfactory issue over here. That's why I had to ask that question.
Yes, sir.
So, have you ridden mini bikes before?
Yes, sir. Been riding for about 30 years now.
So what you like about the Road Glides? What bike what style do you like? Put it that way.
Well, I got Ultra Classic too. Love the Ultra Classic. It rides smooth. It's comfortable. It's like the Cadillac of the Harleys.
Okay, because some people be saying, I can't get into a ride, why it don't turn, the fairing don't move and stuff.
Right.
Was that a problem for you, or you just got on this road and it was good?
I just got on the road. Everyone got one. That's the new, that's what everybody riding these days.
Oh, okay.
I still got my old one though.
So out of the two, which one do you ride the most?
The old one.
Oh, the old one. Okay.
Well, this is brand new. I just got it.
Oh, okay.
I only had it a month.
Oh, okay. All right, you still got paper tags on the back. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, for sure. I see SF on the neck, man. Where you from, man?
Oh, from the Bayview.
From the Bayview?
Yeah.
What part of Bayview, man? How old are you? Let me ask, how old are you?
I am 54.
Okay, so I'm gonna throw some Bayview questions at you.
Oh, man, we don't want to go there.
Seafood Circus, what you know about that?
I don't remember.
You don't know what Seafood Circus was? Okay, how about the,
Wait, hold up.
Wait. It's a seafood place.
On third?
On third?
Yeah, on third.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. Okay, I'm gonna take you back a little further. On third and Paul, solar system. It's a church now.
Okay.
Across from the Korean, from BJ's.
Right.
TikTok.
TikTok, man, that's the spot.
I'm just trying to say, I'm just
that's
like I said, you looked at my stuff. I'm just checking your credit reference next to say you are who you is.
That's it.
Okay. You official.
It's all good.
Man, what you doing with a trailer, baby?
Oh man, this is the easiest way to get it, man. The trailer stand up in the garage, you pop it up, put it in the corner. You
Okay, I'm just saying, we over here we ride. I'm just saying,
I just wanted to get it out here.
Okay.
You don't know if it's raining, whatever.
Okay, for sure. All right, well, let's get him off the truck and get him in the garage then. Money's Car Stereo, home deliveries. We gotta go. Money's Car Stereo, I tell you, it's a new year. Orange must be the new black. I don't know. Man, how you doing today, man? How you doing?
Doing good.
Man, how'd you find out about Money's Car Stereo, man?
Man, I've been following you online, man. Like you've been, you know, sound like you found a formula.
Okay, well, I know a few formulas. You know, I got many mixes going on around here.
There we go.
So you was telling me that you have an Alpine power pack up in the fairing?
Yep, just a little power pack.
Okay, so today you're looking to upgrade it, enhance it somewhat,
Exactly.
take it to the next level.
Exactly.
Okay, cause I see you got your 6.5 or 5 1/4 inner wall right here. You got your something up in here. I heard it playing when you came up, 6.5. And is the bags unlocked?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see what you got going on up in here. Oh, and you got a pair of 9s in the bags already. Oh, and you extended too. Okay. The extended, y'all, helps out in the bass. I ain't gonna tell y'all that because you didn't hear from me, but it's more airspace, give you a little bit more up in there. Yeah, y'all been watching my man Larry Smith. He got the extended bags, Advent Black, shameless plug, and it did a little extra. So, what are we doing for you today?
I want to add some by-9s, get a little bit more bass out the system. Put an amp to it so I get some volume.
Okay, so
know
you
what I
can
mean?
get past that freeway noise.
Exactly.
Because you got some music when you're sitting still, but when you're rolling, it kind of goes away.
It's good. It's good sitting still to somebody with some beat pull up.
What? Stop it now. Okay. Well, let me give you a friendly hint on what's gonna happen. Okay, yeah, you got the Alpine F6 you told me. So if y'all don't know that, Alpine F6 was the shit. If you got that amp, you got something. We own some new stuff now, but the Alpine was the top of the line, which it still is. They just changed different styles. I don't know why I discontinued it, but they do things like that. One of the key factors which will lessen your music effect is this windshield. This windshield is going to let everything hit you air-wise. So these windshields usually sometimes come with the stock bikes, but I tell people go for the medium one. Something like the newer bike has a medium one, just slightly above the deck. You don't need the big giant tall one, but medium about this high right here. That'll lessen that that air blowing in your helmet. You know, if you get one that's about that high, like on my previous bikes I've had, the wind will hit you about middle of the head, y'all, about right here. You can ride with your helmet up. Might even be able to smoke a cigarette if that's what you think. But you know, it'll take away the road sound. So you got hand controls, everything functioning, right? So my job today is rewire you, bring your 4 9s in the bag, carpet your bags. We already discussed the price. Now I remember why, because it was that number and that number on the back here, because we're gonna do the whole thing. Okay, so that's about it. Money's Car Stereo. Just letting y'all see what I see. We're gonna walk around in a second, but well, let me ask you about this center console, man. I see you got some extra holes going on. Who painted you?
So I had this work was done down in SoCal.
SoCal?
Yeah, have
Okay.
some folks out there.
Okay. He looking good. We're gonna check you out in daylight because you got a little thing going here. Yeah. Okay. Like I said, Money's Car Stereo. We out. Hell, not only do I have 1, 2. Hey, I got random bags just got dropped off on my lawn and left here. I think somebody had an accident and it went kind of bad. Yeah. Something about bag hanging, dragging on freeway. Well, if you've seen this paint scheme, you know what bike this came off of. We'll get back to this in a little bit. Money's Car Stereo. Just letting you see what I see. It's ugly. Gotta go. Okay, well, we got pre-wiring done. We're gonna start this build on the next build. Let's clean them up and get them going. Money's Car Stereo. Just letting you see what I see. Gotta go. Bag time. Got to stay organized. 1, 2. Got 6x9s pre-wired, soldered my connections and whatnot. Tomorrow is bag day. We're gonna start drilling holes in these joints, cause that way I can get this one going, got that one going, wire. So it's cold outside. I think I'm just gonna leave the door closed. That way nobody can ask me no questions. We're gonna keep it going. Money's Car Stereo. Just give an update for all of those who are watching. Boy, that heat shield is all shiny. Yes, it is. We're gonna see what happens with that. Oh, we already saw it happen right there. Powder coat starting to melt. Gotta go. Hey, today was a bag day. Got them reassembled. Fresh hold up on the fresh bag. Tilting sideways a little bit. As you see, he's straight. Over here on the orange bikes, we got a bag done. Bag done. Let's see what we got over here. Another bag done. Bag done. You know what? Tomorrow we're gonna start doing some wiring. See how that go. Mount some more speakers. Mace Car Stereo. See you when I see you. We out.